Hello all, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the floor plan 38 by 55 north facing 2 BHK house plan. In the northeast side there is the portico cum car parking in the size of 18 feet 3 inch by 16 feet. In the northeast corner you can place the underground water tank, bore, sump, water element, water items you can place here. And then septic tank should come in the northwest of north side. The staircase is coming in the outside in the northwest of north direction. While entering to the master bedroom, there is a hall in the size of 16 feet 9 inches by 14 feet 3 inches. In the hall, also Pooja room and the dining space also available. Pooja is in the eastern side in the size of 5 feet by 6 feet, and then nearby Pooja, there is a dining space in the size of 14 feet 3 inch by 60 feet, 6 feet 6 inches. In the corner, we kept the wash basin and washing machine here. And then kitchen is available in the southeast corner. This is first option as per Vastu in the size of 11 feet by 11 feet. One back door also available here in the kitchen. And then master bedroom is placed in the southwest direction of the house. In the size of 16 feet 9 inches by 11 feet. Bed is placed in the south side and the wardrobe is kept in the western side. Attached toilet is in the size of 8 feet by 5 feet. And then one common toilet also available in the size of 8 feet by 4 feet 6 inches. In the northwest corner, there is a kids bedroom in the size of 11 feet by 10 feet. Here also same south side bed and west side wardrobe. This is 2 BHK, uh, 2 BHK north facing house plan. So if you need a house plans for your plot, you can call us, WhatsApp us through the number 9952029063. Also check out our website www.houseplans.world and www.houseplansdaily.com. Our apps also available in the Google Play Store. House plans and designs, how designs and plans, PlanNest and Designest. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. So thanks for watching.